Stay, I'm leaving. Far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. Want a drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an unfull feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. Friends to the face, I hear the voice, now you don't know, say a Cogency for the Cogency Rocks channel. And today, we have Nito MB, no miming. Second one for the day. So we just did the PS1, right now we have the Nito MB. PS1 did 6, so me I hope Nito MB just forward and just kill it. You understand? I'm not really worried about Nito MB still, because as I said, from 2017-18, the money don't really miss still. You understand? It's just up to him what he want to do on it. You understand? Why? No, do on the song. Not know why about that. Blood clan, man. Sure. Anyway, click my links in the description. Gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. Like, share, and subscribe. And just jump into this shit, man. No lip sync. No miming.
You already know, for the one and I ain't gotta say it twice.
Yeah.
Okay. You're locked in with Tim and Barry TV. No, man. We don't do hand signs. We ain't like that, man. We don't lie.
We don't lie.
You know I'm screaming.
No, I'm screaming. 156.
Yo.
Ain't gang, baby. Yo.
We are towners, hopping them counters, and that's no cap, we are mini encounters. And with Sounders, big thing got the powers, he still put shows in the back like Bowser, delay flower.
And nah, anytime I hear shows in your back like Bowser, like I just have to stop, dog. I just have to stop, bro. Like, that's crazy. I know a lot of people use it now, but every time I hear it, it just hit me. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why.
No cap, we are mini encounters, and with Sounders, big thing got the powers. He still put shows in the back like Bowser. Delay flower, but don't ride like cows. Them man try come to the block and got counted. We spent hours, they blood pause like showers. He ain't gonna make it home base like rounders. How's your mum? She good, yeah? Don't lie and try to see that you're good there.
No. He's about to chat shit about someone's mum, but fam, you hear that flow at the start? Crazy.
I'm screaming.
Come on.
Yo. Look. We are towners, hopping them counters, and that's no cap, we are mini encounters. And with Sounders, big thing got the powers. He still put shows in the back like Bowser. Delay flower, but don't ride like cows. Them man try come to the block and got counted. We spent hours, they blood pause like showers. He ain't gonna make it home base like rounders. How's your mum? She good, yeah? Don't lie and try to see that you're good there. If you stepped out, got bun out his hood. We're funny how one day me they're good, yeah. It's weird how the odds still odds with a threat, cause we ain't like them doing drills on the net. Any IC3 on their block gets checked if this business, then it might go left.
Any black you on that strip, bro, I'm checking him. Yo, where you from? Who you know up on the block here?
Bowser, delay flower, but don't ride like cows. Them man try.
Sorry, I pull it back too far now, but this is getting me hype.
Come to the block and got counted. We spent hours, they blood pause like showers. He ain't gonna make it home base like rounders. How's your mum? She good, yeah? Don't lie and try to see that you're good there. If you stepped out, got bun out his hood. We're funny how one day me they're good, yeah. It's weird how the odds still odds with a threat, cause we ain't like them doing drills on the net. Any IC3 on their block gets checked if this business, then it might go left. And bro, so we speaking code. Do it like Bumblebee and Transformers. Get it? On his mobile phone, cats know.
We speaking code, do it like Bumblebee and Transformers. I guess they're speaking code. I don't know. I don't really know about Transformers like that. I one Transformer movie I ever watching in my life, and God knows I never watch it back.
Cause we ain't like them doing drills on the net. Any IC3 on their block gets checked if this business, then it might go left. And bro, so we speaking code. Do it like Bumblebee and Transformers. Get it? On his mobile phone, cats know where it is, so we just take orders. Plug said COVID, the price went high. Got a big man here, wanna shut down borders. Shit got real, so a few man changed, so they want a new path like the rocking ballers. My angle is crystal clean.
What? Dog, Nito MB is too sick, dog.
Mobile phone cats know where it is, so we just take orders. Plug said COVID, the price went high. Got a big man here, wanna shut down borders. Shit got real, so a few man changed, so they want a new path like the rocking ballers. My angle is crystal clean. Was it us? Like, yes indeed. In and out, so I can't be seen. If shit goes left, they spill them beans. They can't get.
Bro, look at this building, bro. Bro, I don't. Like I tell myself, you know, boy, I got England already, but if I go to England, bro, I don't want to live here, fam. Look at this. This just look like the place to get chinged. Nah, I'm kidding. No, I'm not kidding, fam. Look at this. Look at the building, bro. Nah, man. It's probably not even that bad, It's just, I don't know, man. Look at the rust on the grill and stuff like, bro. It's in bad condition. It's in bad condition.
Was it us? Like, yes, indeed. In and out, so I can't be seen. If shit goes left, they spill them beans. They can't get right, what's all that seems? Real type is up in my jeans. Get dropped.
No, spill that beans, I mean he told. Yeah, sorry. I was chinging.
My angle is crystal clean. Was it us? Like, yes, indeed. In and out, so I can't be seen. If shit goes left, they spill them beans. They can't get right, what's all that seems? Real type is up in my jeans. Get dropped out for the clout I mentioned. Still roll round. Could have been worse when your bro got burst, but it's like somehow he bounced back and survived. Yeah, I know we got told if he lost more juice, then it's straight no way next time he's surviving. And bro said roll with a gunman stance. When it gets to the point, then it's closed one eyelid. No, we don't leave it to chance. On a workman flex, start manning my high vis. But the ops them know this.
What's high vis?
We don't leave it to chance. On a workman flex, start manning my high vis. But the ops them know this. Before we had a 1-9 like COVID, we made the ops to the hocus pocus. Glocks and nines or show you revolvers. Hold up, what happened to run up? But you anything goes. They sound top tier when they talk on tracks, and they speak in quote. My ops saying, but you anything goes. They sound top.
What rhymes with goes? I ain't gonna say it, man. I ain't gonna say it. Just listen.
But the ops them know this. Before we had a 1-9 like COVID, we made the ops to the hocus pocus. Glocks and nines or show you revolvers. Hold up, what happened to run up? But you anything goes. They sound top tier when they talk on tracks, and they speak in quote. My ops ain't bad, they ain't speaking code. My ops ain't bad, they ain't beat no skates. They don't. If I said it to bro, no buttons like after the iPhone 6. We got new E and they all get hammered.
I was just about to say, fam, I need to turn up and then the man give me a bar. Fuck.
They don't. If I said it to bro, no buttons like after the iPhone 6. We got new E and they all get hammered. You might get corned if you're up in that mix. And if you get caught, does your head back splattered or this might open your chest like Vicks. My angle is crystal clean. Was it us? Like, yes, indeed.
Dog, you see when my little, I'ma start feel sick, I just be a Vicks. Vicks for my chest, Vicks for my neck, Vicks under my nose, Vicks under my eye. Yo, all Vicks in my ears, brother. I swear to you. Be a Vicks.
Splattered or this might open your chest like Vicks. My angle is crystal clean. Was it us? Like, yes, indeed. In and out, so I can't be seen. They spill them beans, they can't get right, what's all that seems? Real type is up in my jeans. Get dropped out for the clout I mentioned. Still roll round with the terrible teens. Terrible
teens.
Tim and Barry TV. No miming. You know what I'm screaming. I ain't gotta say that twice.
Yeah. Gang. Aye. Yes. Don't know. Nito MB, no miming. I did like this one a little bit better than the PS one because I heard him kind of more clear and the beat was kind of nicer. But you understand, the two of them sick. So yeah, dog, PS and Nito, them now go miss, bro. You understand? So just big them up because this was sick. And no miming just sick, dog. Something about the live rapping performance thing. You can't beat it, bro. You understand? But this was sick. Go check it out. Click my links in the description. Yeah, gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, guys. And you know what I'm saying? DM me. You know what I'm saying? Talk to a nigga, man. Shit, man. We a family, bruh. If you don't talk to me, man, I'm going to talk to y'all, bruh. Know what I'm saying? Leave some comments. Tell me what you want me to react to next. And yeah, Cogency and I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace. Them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round to